Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and welcome to another C++ files tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll explain to you each lines of code pertaining to what I've showed you in the last tutorial. So, in the beginning, you need to include fstream. Fstream is an internal library, or the kind of library that is built into C++, built into the compiler, and it's short for file stream. You need that to program whatever like output file or input file of it. Then inside the main, you have offstream file. That's basically an output file variable. So whenever you want to output some text into a text file, you need this variable. You need this variable name, and then the variable data type, and then the name of the variable you want to put pertaining to that data type. Then once you do that, here you use that variable name, and it's basically an instance variable, a class variable. So if you don't know how to manage to use it, if you don't know anything about object-oriented program, um, go to my C++ with Cevelop tutorial. That's on YouTube, BitChute, and BitTube. Anyway, so you need to use that variable, and then dot open, so that's a class function pertaining to offstream. And then it opens a file or creates a file if it doesn't find any file that is named whatever name you put it inside that quotation mark. So I put in example.txt for the sake of this tutorial. Since there's no file that says example.txt, it creates one. So if it actually finds example.txt, all it does is just basically uses it, and then whatever you're putting in that file, it overwrites it. And then, so just like the C out, instead of putting C out, you put the offstream variable name, or the offstream variable right here, and then you put the two less than signs, and then whatever text you want to put into that variable. What it does is basically you're writing text to the text file that you've created. So that's basically what it does. And all these, the first three codes that I explained to you, it's gonna go in depth in the few more videos of this series. And then once you're done with what you need to do with the file offstream variable, you put file.close to prevent any memory leaks. And even though even though that file isn't really a pointer variable, all it is just basically open the file, and it wouldn't make sense to close it after you're done with the program. Because if you're done with the program, the file is kept open. And if you don't address that issue, it could become a memory leak, and it would actually crash the software itself. So that's pretty much it. Um, Basically, all these codes that are explained in a nutshell. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.